gotta sneak into the Warmplay concert with us without tickets.
I'm sorry. Jamie.
Jake.
No way. I just rather come, Jake.
My parents are out of town for a weekend, so she had to come along.
Okay, I guess that's cool. Mark said you would meet us at the park. He said something about doing some dishes.
Dishes?
Yeah, I know.
Jake, I wanted to go at a concert, not a playground.
Yeah, you're never gonna be late because you're a little shortcut.
See, this is much easier. We get to cut through all those buildings and roads.
Are you sure you know your way through here?
Of course I do.
So how do we get down to the creek bed, Jake?
Well, there's a hill right up here. And we just go down there and cut through some litter.
What's litter?
You know,
Like trash?
Oh, kind of like you.
What?
Emma, not now.
Now where's that hill?
It's right over here.
See, simple.
Come on. Are you coming?
What's the point in this?
It's a shortcut.
Hey! Coming!
Are you okay?
I think so, but I got a little cut on my hand.
Get up. You know you can.
I think so, but I got a little cut on my hand. You don't know how much it...
Come on. Let's go to that concert. We're gonna be late.
Hey, Jesse, how are you? Come on in. Jamie, Jesse's here.
Okay, send her out.
Hey Jamie, you want to talk to me about Jake?
Yeah, he was in here yesterday.
What's so bad about that?
Jesse, I didn't invite him. I was asleep, I woke up, and there's a smiling face. And guess what? Shaving cream all over my face. He put it there.
How did he get in here?
His special key.
Wait a minute, so he has a key to your house?
Yeah, it's awful. My parents think of him as family and let him in whenever he wants to, which is all the time.
He doesn't stalk you, does he?
Only on weekends. And he gave me a rose.
A rose? How sweet. How can you be offended?
It has a note on it saying, "Will you marry me?"
And?
No. No.
Jake, I think we're lost. You got us lost.
Yeah, and you know how much I want to see that Warmplay concert?
Well, excuse me. Maybe you should drag me along to sneak in with you.
Guys, stop arguing about this. It's not helping anything. Now, which way haven't we tried?
We've tried everything. And guess what? The concert starts in 2 minutes.
Still hope.
Yeah, it's the last song.
Maybe it'll be Viva La Viva.
Just sit down and think calmly about it.
I don't have to listen to you, little girl.
You already are sitting down, okay? Then how about you go find some firewood?
Why do I have to listen to you?
Go find firewood. Mark, how about you and I go find a campsite?
Campsite? How long do you plan on staying?
We need to be ready for anything.
Okay, but do I have to go with you?
Yeah, we can get to know each other a little better.
Mark, Jake.
How's this area?
Too much water. We'll either flood or we'll get eaten by mosquitoes.
Oh. How about over there?
Do you really want to hike up a hill after a long day of survival?
It's just a hill.
Tell me that after we have a long day of survival and we have to go up that hill.
Do you really think this is a game of survival?
It could.
The first area you thought was too low. The second area you thought was too far away from the water. The third area you thought there was snakes. The fourth area it's gonna flood and there's mosquitoes. And now it's too big of a hike.
We need a perfect area.
It's a creek bed. There is no perfect area!
I guess we'll go with the one next to the water.
Good. Now we're getting somewhere. There is!
Where?
Look! We found a campsite.
Do you have like food for the camp since we might be there for a little?
Where's the firewood?
Oh, what? Oh, yeah, about that, Mark. I seem to have left it there.
All of it.
Yep. Okay, so where's the campsite?
It's over here. It's a really great spot. Follow it.
Cool.
Are these shakes clothes?
It looks like it. And lights and sleeping bags. So, is Jake out there naked somewhere?
Poor Jake.
Why? It looks like he did it. I mean, who else would have written clothes and left it on our campground? And light? Who else would have left us lights? Really? So first off, do we just forget about Jake?
No, we can't just leave my brother.
Easily. He'll show up. He has to one of these days.
How about we take shifts tonight?
I'll take the first shift. And then Ben. My shift's almost over. Wait, what about cell phones? Dang it. It was just here. What was that? Whoa.
Nice to Ray.
No, I just saw something.
Okay.
No, really, it was dressed in all black. It had a creepy cape and a glowing mask.
Really?
And it gave us granola bars.
Wait, what if it thing left the light? And it took Jake.
But why is it helping us?
Alright, don't tell her. Mark, how many rows? Went to find a way out. P.S. How many rows with that? Oh no. I think she's been kidnapped. Emily Rose! Emily, where are you? Come out, wherever you are!